Hello everyone, welcome to the ichimokucharts.com daily analysis for light sweet crude oil for Tuesday, September the 15th. Well, a change of trend today. We now have a candle with a higher high and a higher low. The previous day we had a candle with a lower high and a lower low, and that means that the trend has changed from down to up in the first time frame. We have quite a large body compared to the previous trading day, and it's green, and that means that the bulls have made some solid net progress on the day from open to close, and it's a fairly bullish candle. Looking at where the market is closed in relation to the high and the low, the market is closed between the mid-range level and the high, and that suggests that the buyers are in control. It's only fairly weak control, and the shadow on the top of the candle suggests that the buyers lost some commitment throughout the trading day. The buyers weren't strong enough to trade the market and close the market up at the highs. And the sellers have come in and closed the market down between the mid-range level and the high. It doesn't suggest that the bears had any power throughout the day. The bulls are in the ascendancy, but they're not showing very strong commitment. Overriding that, though, as I've said before, is the fact that we do have a first time frame uptrend, and that's fairly significant for this market, and there is a possibility that the market will make an assault on this previous area of resistance around the 72.50 area, roughly 73, and that was when there was some fairly strong downside price rejection previously. Now, looking at our Ichimoku indicator, we are trading up above the cloud or the Kumo, and we now have closed up above the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, although a fair part of the trading was above and below both of those indicators. Both of those indicators are pointing sideways, and that is telling us that in two time frames, in a short time frame and a medium-term time frame on the daily charts, that there really isn't any momentum to this market, that the market is in equilibrium. And we can see here that we had an uptrend and a downtrend, a retracement, and now we're retracing part of this first time frame downtrend. So no direction in the market, although if we do continue on with this first time frame trend to the upside, then we may see the Tenkan-sen start to point up to reflect the renewed momentum to the upside.